Luxury real estate is at a crossroads. As the market grows more competitive, vacancies continue to plague developers, costing $5,000 or more per month per unit. Multiply that by dozens or hundreds of empty units, and the losses add up fast. Rising interest rates are only making things worse, stretching budgets to their limits. Today's buyers and renters aren't just looking for beautiful spaces. They're seeking effortless living. If you're not delivering that, they'll go elsewhere. So how do you stand out? Enter Amenify. Our tech-driven platform integrates services like housekeeping, handyman, and food and grocery delivery directly into your property, attracting and retaining tenants. Developers who partner with Amenify see lower vacancy rates, faster lease-ups, and additional revenue streams of $100, $200 per unit annually. Key advantages for your bottom line. The future of luxury real estate isn't just about what you build, it's about what you deliver. With Amenify, reduce vacancies, elevate the resident experience, and make your property the one everyone's talking about. Thank you for joining us. Stay tuned for more insights shaping the future of real estate.